In today's video, I am going to teach you how to test Mailerlite. Testing your email before you send it is an important part of building a campaign. It helps you see how the message looks in a real inbox, and it gives you a chance to check the layout, images, buttons, and links before your audience receives it. Mailerlite makes this process simple, and you can send a test email directly from inside the campaign editor. To begin, open Mailerlite and log into your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, take a moment to look at the main navigation area. This is where you can access the different tools Mailerlite provides, including subscribers, forms, automations, and campaigns. For this tutorial, you want to focus on campaigns because that is where you create and test email messages before sending them. Click on Campaigns from the main menu. This will take you to the area where your email campaigns are stored. You may see previous campaigns, drafts, or sent emails listed here, depending on what is already in your account. From this screen, look for the option to create a new campaign. Click Create Campaign to start building the email you want to test. Now you will need to fill out the campaign details. This may include basic information such as the campaign name, subject line, sender details, and other settings that help define the email. These details are important because they affect how the email appears to recipients when it arrives in their inbox. Take your time here and make sure everything looks clear and accurate before moving forward. After the campaign details are set, Mailerlite will ask you to choose an editor. Select the editor you want to use for designing the message. Once the editor opens, you can begin working on the email layout. This is where you add your content, adjust sections, place images, format text, and arrange buttons or links. The goal is to create the email exactly as you want your audience to see it. As you design the layout, pay close attention to spacing, readability, and the way each section flows from top to bottom. A clean layout helps your email look professional and makes it easier for readers to understand your message. If your email includes links or buttons, make sure they are placed where they are easy to find and clearly connected to the action you want the reader to take. Once your email design is ready, stay inside the editor. In the top right corner of the screen, look for the Actions drop-down menu. This menu contains additional options related to the email you are editing. Click the Actions drop-down to open it, and then select Send Test Email. This is the option that allows you to send a preview version of the campaign to an inbox before the real campaign goes out. After selecting Send Test Email, Mailerlite will ask you where to send the test. Enter an email address that you can access, such as your own inbox, and then click Send Test. Make sure you type the address carefully so the test message goes to the correct place. This test email is only for checking the message, so it will not send the campaign to your full subscriber list. Now open the inbox for the email address you entered and look for the test message. When it arrives, open it and review the email carefully. Check that the layout looks correct, the text is easy to read, and the images display properly. Then click through any links or buttons to confirm that they lead to the correct pages. This final review helps you catch small issues before sending the campaign to your subscribers. And that is all there is to it. You have now tested a Mailerlite campaign by creating the campaign, designing the email, sending a test message, and checking how it appears in an inbox.